All right, this is the latest that we are getting for you from the national capitals. The visuals on your screens are of the protesting doctors. They have been removed from the protest site. This is the latest that we are getting for you. Remember, the doctors have been protesting against centre's decision to delay NEET counselling. For more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Ayushman, who's joining us from the spot. Ayushman, we can see there's a lot of commotion and tense moments out there. What more can you tell us as far as the situation is concerned?
Well, right now we are near ITO, where these doctors have been taken in the buses. Currently, if you see, these doctors have been taken in the buses, and these doctors, if you see, those doctors are currently being taken in the buses. The DGHS was here. They were not allowed. These doctors clearly said that the protest is not going to be called off. They wanted to sit on the road, and that's when the Delhi police, you can clearly see those police officials not allowing the doctors to sit out here. And this is the first set of bus which will go from here. These are the protesting doctors who have been taken in the bus, and in fact we will try and speak to the doctors. What has been said?
लड़की डॉक्टरों के ऊपर हाथ उठाए जा रहे हैं, माँ बहन की गाली दे रही है दिल्ली पुलिस। डॉक्टरों के साथ ऐसा बर्ताव होता है, कोरोना वॉरियर्स के साथ ऐसा बर्ताव होता है। जो लेडी डॉक्टर है उसके ऊपर
जब कोविड में हम लड़े थे मुझे हाथ लगाया, दिल्ली को लड़कियों कैसे हाथ लगाया? We were the COVID warriors। जब सब मर रहे थे तब हम आए, हम लड़े थे। पुलिस को गालियां दे रहे हैं, डॉक्टर्स को गालियां दे रहे हैं। We are bloody educated ones। We are the cream layers। Delhi police, hi.
You can see these doctors are the ones who are protesting, and these are all police. These are all doctors who have been taken in the buses. It would be important to see where these doctors are taken, but there you see all these Federation of Resident Doctor Association members. They're inside the buses protesting. They wanted to continue the protest on road, but that was not allowed by Delhi police. And somewhere they have been lifted from this place, and currently they are being taken to another location. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Ayushman, for getting those details. We'll keep coming back to you on this big story that's developing right now. As you said that these doctors are being removed from the protest site, and this location, as you said, that is near ITO. So are these doctors being detained, and what happened to that march?
If you can hear me, this is Aarti here. You're at the protest site. You're at the place where the doctors are being picked up and taken in buses, as we can see. I understand there's a lot of chaos around you, but if you can hear me, just give us a sense of what is happening there.
मेल डॉक्टर सभी को रोड पे गिरा के मारा है। हमें नहीं पता, ये साला गोल भी मार देगा, हमें नहीं कोई बचाने आएगा।
Okay, we'll try and connect back to Ayushman, but as you can see, somewhere near ITO is where all this drama is unfolding, where in the bus, the police van, in fact, doctors have been herded up and they are going to be detained. We don't know where exactly they're taking them. Now, this comes a short while after the DGHS, Sunil Kumar, came to assure the doctors to call off their strike, but they refused, and the police are now forcibly evicting them. This is some drama that's unfolding during the doctors' protest. Remember, for over a fortnight now, doctors have been protesting, demanding the extradition.
ये हमें रोड पे बिठा करके मारे हैं पुलिस वालों ने। फीमेल डॉक्टर्स को बहुत गंदी तरह से मारा गया है, बहुत ज्यादा मारा गया है। आपके पास मेल पुलिस वाले ने फीमेल को मारा है गंदे तरीके से। हमें नहीं पता कहाँ लेके जा रहे, हमें किसी को नहीं पता कहाँ जा रहे।
Okay, those were some angry voices of doctors who said they don't know where they're going to be taken, but some of them also alleging that some of the female doctors have been manhandled. Ayushman, if you're with us, over to you.
Yes, Aarti. In fact, you can see here the doctors are not allowing the buses to go from here, in which those doctors have been, protesting doctors have been lodged. The Delhi police somewhere trying to contain the situation. These doctors were protesting out here. They wanted to march to Supreme Court. That permission was denied. And currently we are being told that by the doctors that somewhere the female doctors were manhandled by male policemen, and that is something which the resident doctors are alleging here. And you can see the bus in which the resident doctors have been taken. In front of those buses, you see these resident doctors sitting, not allowing that bus to leave. These are the protesting doctors. On the other side, if you see there, the scuffle is still on. The Delhi police has not disclosed as to which location they are being taken, but currently the Delhi police has made it clear that these resident protesting doctors won't be allowed to protest here anymore.
Okay, Ayushman, the police are denying permission to the doctors. What was the original plan? What is it that the doctors wanted in terms of the route, in terms of the navigation? And what is the alternative, if any, that the police actually gave them?
Yes.
दिल्ली पुलिस की सारी बदतमीजी रिपोर्ट करनी है आपको।
Well, we have.
एक भी बदतमीजी रिपोर्ट
One second. We are here.
मीडिया बोल दूंगी।
One second.
दिल्ली
Tell
पुलिस
us
की
what has
बदतमीजी।
happened. Tell us what has happened.
ये हम पे हाथ कैसे लगा सकते हैं? लड़कियों पे हाथ कैसे लगा सकते हैं? बदतमीजी।
हमने कुछ नहीं किया था, बस बैठे थे, सबको जबरदस्ती उठा के बस
शांति से प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे तब से।
This is so wrongful at every sense. मतलब आप एक मतलब अगर हमने बस एक सिंपल डिमांड करी थी, जब हमारे स्वास्थ्य मंत्री से हमारे मंत्री लोग जब इलेक्शन होता है तो आने को तैयार हैं, क्राउड के बीच में हाथ जोड़ के वोट मांगने को तैयार हैं। आज हमारी एक छोटी सी डिमांड थी कि मंत्री जी यहाँ आ जाएं। पिछले 7-8 दिनों नहीं, आप मेरी बात सुनिए।
लड़कियों को मैन हैंडल किया गया है। सारे लड़के पुलिस ऑफिसर फीमेल को छू रहे हैं, कहीं भी छू रहे हैं।
This is so police atrocity. This is not acceptable at all. At any level.
We are not.
They heard, Aarti, all these protesting doctors who were sitting out here. They have said that they have been manhandled by the police officials who were present out here. A few of the resident doctors who have been taken in those buses, they were telling that somewhere manhandling has been done. But the end product is that all these doctors have been told to vacate this place. Where are they being taken right now? That is not clearly said. But yes, the protesting doctors who were protesting out here, they have not been allowed for the protest anymore.
Okay, Ayushman, just for our viewers, how many doctors are there at the moment? How many doctors have been rounded up and taken away?
Well, at least, Aarti, right, you can see in the camera and frame only about 100 and more than 100 doctors are here. This protest, when it started, about 500 doctors were there. This march started from MAMC, and from here, a bit far away is the place where these doctors stopped, and after that, they came to this point. From the other side of the road, they were stopped here, and they were engaging in a dialogue with the doctors. But currently, if you see, all these doctors are, in fact, still there, trying to. Yes, currently if you see there you can see how the Delhi police is taking those officials, Aarti. These are the live visual we are bringing to you from ITO. These are the resident doctors who are being taken away by the Delhi police. And these doctors wanted to march to Supreme Court in order to give their memorandum to Honorable Supreme Court over the delayed NEET PG counselling. And that is something that has not been allowed. And here you see the scuffle between Delhi police and protesting resident doctors.